Hey guys, welcome to question FM303 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, a hollow pipe has a diameter of 100 millimeters and a wall thickness of 3 millimeters as shown below, and then we're given a diagram that looks like this one. We're then asked if the empty space inside the pipe has a volume of 2,400 cubic centimeters, the height of the pipe in millimeters is closest to what? So setting up this, this question, we want to find the height of this pipe through knowing the volume of the space that's inside this hollow pipe. So if we take a formula for the area of a cylinder, which is pi r squared times height. Now, some variations of these, but they're all essentially mean the same thing. So we've been given the area of the cylinder that we're trying to find, so that hollow section inside. We're looking to find the height, which means that in order to answer this question, we also need to know what the radius of that pipe is, or what the radius of the hollow section of the pipe is. So diving straight into this question, we can first figure out what the diameter would be by taking the diameter of the whole pipe, which would be 100 millimeters, and then subtracting the 3 mils from each side, so 3 and then what would end up being 6. So we can subtract 6 from that to give an answer of 94 millimeters. Now remember that this is just the diameter, not the radius yet. In order to calculate the radius from that, we would then need to take that 94 and divide it by 2, which should give us an answer of 47 millimeters will be the radius of our hollow section. Now from here, it may be tempting to put in 47 millimeters into your equation, put in the 2,400 for the area of the cylinder, and then solve for h. However, that would be a mistake given that that 2,400 is in cubic centimeters, and all of the other measurements we've used so far are in millimeters. So you could do this question by converting everything else into centimeters. We're going to convert the centimeters into millimeters though. So normally we have something look like this. We could say that the conversion between millimeters and centimeters, if we want to go from millimeters to centimeters, we divide by 10. And if we want to go from centimeters to millimeters, we multiply by 10. So seeing as we started out with 2,400 centimeters cubed, the conversion then that would take us to millimeters would be that times 10 from centimeters to millimeters. And we're going to go times 10 cubed because we're looking at centimeters cubed to millimeters cubed. So that times 10 is also cubed. This should give you an answer of 2.4 million millimeters cubed, and whacking that into solve should get us the answer to this question. So if we put in solve and then the area of our cylinder, sorry, I should have said volume of cylinder at the very start. Volume of cylinder, which is 2,400,000, is equal to pi times 47 squared times h. Solve for h. Whacking that into your calculator should give you a height of 345.83 blah 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 millimeters, which is most similar to answer C. If you guys have any questions about this, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.